Are you curious about artificial intelligence (AI) and eager to dive into this fascinating field? AI is transforming industries and creating new opportunities. Here's an easy guide to help beginners get started on their AI journey. 1. Understand the basics. What is AI? AI involves creating systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and problem solving. Key concepts: familiarize yourself with fundamental concepts like machine learning, neural networks, natural language processing (NLP), and computer vision. 2. Learn the mathematics. Statistics and probability, these are the backbone of AI algorithms. Linear algebra and calculus, essential for understanding how AI models work. 3. Start programming. Python, the most popular language for AI development due to its simplicity and vast libraries. TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, are useful for statistical analysis and data visualization. 4. Explore machine learning. Supervised learning, learn how algorithms are trained using labeled data, for example, linear regression, decision trees. Unsupervised learning, understand techniques for analyzing unlabeled data, for example, clustering, dimensionality reduction. Reinforcement learning, study how agents learn to make decisions by interacting with their environment. 5. Dive into AI libraries and tools. TensorFlow and Keras, popular libraries for building neural networks. PyTorch, another powerful library favored for research and development. Scikit-learn, great for beginners to implement simple machine learning algorithms. 6. Hands-on projects. Datasets, use platforms like Kaggle to find datasets and participate in competitions. Mini projects, build projects like a spam filter, image classifier, or recommendation system to apply your knowledge. 7. Online courses and resources. Coursera and edX, platforms offering comprehensive courses on AI and machine learning, for example, Andrew Ng's machine learning course. YouTube channels, follow channels like 3 Blue 1 Brown for intuitive math explanations and CentX for practical AI tutorials. 8. Join AI communities. Online forums, engage with communities on Reddit, Stack Overflow, and specialized AI forums. Meetups and conferences, attend local AI meetups and global conferences to network and learn from experts. 9. Stay updated. AI news, follow publications like MIT Technology Review, Towards Data Science, and AI blogs to keep up with the latest trends and breakthroughs. Research papers, read papers from arXiv.org to understand cutting-edge developments. 10. Build a portfolio. GitHub, share your projects and code on GitHub to showcase your skills to potential employers. Blog, write about your learning journey, challenges, and projects to demonstrate your expertise and help others. Embark on your AI journey with curiosity and persistence. The field of AI is vast and constantly evolving, but with the right approach, you can make significant strides. What's your first step in learning AI? Share your plans.